Hi, welcome back friend. Here in this lesson you're going to learn about applying camera calibration techniques on an image. So let's do this. Here we got an image about some starter food of various variety, and here we can apply both HSL, hue saturation layer, luminance, and camera calibration to the image. So when you apply this calibration, change the value of hue or saturation of red color, it will apply the changes to the color to all the tones, to the entire photo of blue, green, and red spectrum, everything. But when you apply changes to the HSL, it will reflect only to the individual colors. Let's try applying changes to the red color. It will only affect the red component. It won't affect the blue and the green components. Okay, so here it is. So you can go with a combination of a camera calibration or HSL. You have an image. So here we try to emphasize the redness of these two starters in front, the chicken and the normal gravy, and we want to make it a little bit red, but at the same time we want other colors to be less sharp. We want to make it pleasant. The camera calibration would allow you to fine tune and adjust the colors in this RGB color spectrum. Just try changing these values. You can also use a combination. You can make the French fries a little bit brighter by changing the yellow color component from HSL panel, or you can change the orange and the red color component. You can move to the positive side or the negative values of each property, or keep other colors intact if you do not require it. So there could be various ways. You can also zoom into individual components of the photo to decide which component is preferred for performing edits. You can zoom, you can crop, you can do a lot of things in Lightroom. Start editing and make your photo look awesome using this camera calibration and HSL control panel. Keep learning and keep moving ahead.